the moment of truth. It's so important that it stays together. If it doesn't, then that's really the end of my dish.
30 seconds! Oh! Tick tock, that's all we can hear, the ticking of the clock. Is it ready? Is it not? 20 minutes to go and fingers crossed.
Come on! Check everything!
Your choice when you take the Tarte Tatin out of the oven.
Nah, I'm not sure.
You're a good baker. Just trust your instinct.
This is very important. If I take it out too early, it's just gonna turn into a soggy thing.
It's a huge decision for these guys. If they take it out too early, it could fall apart.
Hold your nerve. Make sure it's cooked. Don't pull it out too early, but also don't pull it out too late.
I'm really impressed with how Meta's caught up.
You're doing a good job, Meta. Awesome.
Really intense just to pick the right time to get it out. I'm impatient at the best of times.
I feel it in my head, I know. Like, I can't breathe.
I don't cook for Maggie Beer every day.
Yeah.
It smells beautiful.
This is stressful, man.
The tart needs to be on the plate, ready, custard in a jug, ice cream in the freezer. 5 more minutes, make decisions, and make them quickly.
I'm agonizing. I need to make the decision to get it out or leave it in.
Don't overthink it. Do what feels right and smells right.
Think a bit more.
I will be scared.
I'm worried about the bubbles. Okay. I'm getting it out now. I am nervous, but it smells right. Looks towards the mirror. So now I'm looking at my tart and I'm thinking, is it brown enough on top? I'm stressing out. Do I put it back and put the temperature up or keep the Tarte Tatin out? And if I make a wrong decision, it's the end. I'm getting it out now. I'm worried that my Tarte Tatin isn't brown enough on top. Do I put it back and put the temperature up or keep the Tarte Tatin out? I make the decision. I put it back in the oven and crank the temperature up.
4 minutes to go. Come on, make a decision.
Come on, Michelle. Got to 10.
When are you going to take it out?
I think I'm going to take it out now so I can rest. I finally make the decision to take it out. It's a really exciting moment. But the whole flipping it, you're just thinking there's still a lot of things that could go wrong.
You need to have your tarts turned out in the next 2 minutes. Come on, let's go.
Good. A little bit of extra colour now. Don't hang around now, Samira. Come on.
It's the moment of truth. It's so important that it stays together. If it doesn't, then that's really the end of my dish.
30 seconds!
Oh!
Careful, Meta.
Slow and steady, sir.
Maggie, what do you think?
Well, I think that the caramel is taken too far. It's not just the colour, it's that pooling of sort of globules of the caramel, because what should just be nicely flowing is not.
Well, let's find out.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. I find the apple too bitter, the caramel too bitter, so it makes the apple too bitter. It's not balanced. And the apple doesn't have enough structure. It is so cooked, there's no sort of resistance that gives a better texture.
And I love bitterness, I really do. But we've got to remember what your Tarte Tatin looked and tasted like. And this is completely at the other end of the scale. So over-caramelised and bitter.
I look at this and I'm slightly concerned about the apples. But it comes down to the taste.
He's had some struggles, but we were all concerned about his pastry, and he's got a bit of rise at the side.
It's hard to tell without tasting it.
Oh, it's how it cuts, isn't it?
Oh, wow.
The apple is raw. It's a little bit cooked, but it's raw right to the very centre, sadly. Pastry is so dense. It's got a really good texture when it's right on the side, but that's all.
You got undercooked apples and pastry that is not good at all. But the ice cream is wonderful. It's smooth and really beautiful flavour, and the custard is delicious.
It's just a pity the two things which really that the challenge is all about, the pastry and the apple, are both undercooked.
He lost his way around the apples, didn't he?
He did.
We have to say that one of you absolutely excelled today. One of you made Maggie so proud. Samira. It was a Tarte Tatin. It was all flaky, buttery pastry, perfectly balanced caramel, tender apples, and just that barest whisper of rosemary.
I'm very pleased. Cooking for Maggie was so special and one of the most amazing experiences in my life. Thank you.
Thank you, Samira.
Meta, Michelle, comes down to the two of you. Michelle, you took your caramel too far. I think you know that. It was bitter, but when you ate it with the custard and the ice cream, it all came together. Meta, your ice cream was delicious and the custard fantastic, but your apples were undercooked and crunchy, and the pastry was raw. And unfortunately, that's why you're going home.
I understand.